Welcome or welcome back to UTech Exam Prep. And for today's video, we're going to be doing this question right here. So take a minute, pause the video here, and see if you can do it yourselves. Okay, so this is once again a pretty straightforward question with pretty straightforward requirements. We are trying to mitigate a large-scale DDoS attack. And we are not accepting downtime, so we want high availability. So knowing these two pieces of information, let's choose two from our answers down here. Option A uses AWS Shield Advanced to stop the DDoS attack. Now this is fantastic for DDoS attacks because AWS Shield is built for DDoS attack, and being advanced is just better. Option B configures Amazon Guard Duty to automatically block the attackers. Now, Guard Duty is actually not made to block DDoS attacks. It actually does not do anything against DDoS attacks. Therefore, Guard Duty is just not for this question. So B is going to be wrong. Option C configures the website to use Amazon CloudFront for both static and dynamic content. Now this provides the high availability here that is required for the question. So option C is also a great answer. Now we already have our two answers, but let's just look through D and E to just make sure that they are not even better answers. Option D uses an AWS Lambda function to automatically add attacker IP address to VPC network ACL. Now, this is actually missing a lot of steps. This just by itself cannot be able to prevent DDoS attacks in the future, so D unfortunately also does not work. Option E uses EC2 Spot Instances in an auto-scaling group with a target tracking scaling policy that is set to 80% CPU utilization. Now, this is kind of just a bunch of complications that you really don't need to go through. You're perfectly fine just using A and C and not having to worry about all this CPU utilization and operational overhead. So therefore, A and C is just going to be the best answers for this question. Thank you for watching, and of course, subscribe for more.